Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to block website on Google Chrome to stay focused, I've got you covered in just 2 minutes. So, are you ready to get rid of those distractions? Let's jump in. First, open up Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store by typing in chrome.google.com/webstore in your browser's address bar. Got it? Give me a thumbs up in the comments if you are there. Now let's search for a website blocker extension. I'm using BlockSite here, but feel free to pick any one that you like. Click the Add to Chrome button and wait a few seconds for it to install. Super quick, right? Once it's installed, click on the BlockSite icon at the top right of the Chrome browser. Now type in youtube.com in the block list and hit add. And just like that, YouTube is blocked. Let's test it. I'm trying to go to YouTube and it's blocked. No more distractions. How easy was that? You've just blocked YouTube on Google Chrome. Let me know in the comments what the other websites that you like to block. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more tips. Catch you in the next video.